Confluence is beauty.
Confluence is groundbreaking and grounding.
When I'm at Confluence, I feel connected and calm, and part of me even feels beautiful.
At Confluence, I feel whole.
At Confluence, I feel safe and grounded.
At Confluence, I feel like I'm experiencing society the way that God intended us to.
At Confluence, I feel illuminated, I feel connected, I feel open.
When I leave Confluence, I am taking with me family.